What is up, guys? Welcome back to a vlog that we haven't done in like forever.
I know. Whoa, careful. Yeah, so this is the driver mobile. This is what I pick up parts in and do all kinds of other crap. And the catalytic converter was basically falling apart, so I was like, I gotta do something. So why not put headers on? I don't know if you can see down there, but
Sort of.
probably the other side's.
Yeah, that doesn't help at all.
Oh, wow. Anyway, we got some Texas Speed and Performance headers. It's about to sound like Total Freedom.
Our sponsor. Our sponsor.
Oh, yeah. One of our sponsors.
You guys with the stupid sponsors.
Hey, no, look. Hey, let them know. Today's video is sponsored by drivermotorsports.com.
Yes.
Shop drivermotorsports.com.
ShopDriveMotorsports.com. Go buy all your parts there.
Here we go.
This is gonna hurt. Sorry, headphone users. Oh my god!
That's it loud.
That's fun, huh?
That's stupid. This is dumb.
It's a good dumb.
What?
It's a good dumb.
It is all-wheel drive, isn't it? He's like a kid in a candy shop with...
I think we all would be.
We can show him this. So we just got this back from the machine shop. This is a billet fuel
plate.
standoff, essentially thing that's going in Rival. I designed this up, and then Brian Creasy, who did all of our machining on this, absolutely killed it with the machine.
Yeah, it's weird. Like, you think this would have... It's so smooth. You can't feel anything here. I don't even know how he made it look like
But
this.
these billet standoffs are just gorgeous as well. So Nuke Performance, you can check that out on our website. We've got a huge filter here, a fuel pump here, and then we'll have a check valve, and then all of the hard lines are going in and out of these holes. And then we've got a bulkhead that'll fit right there like that. Oh.
And this is going to stand off kind of like this.
Yeah, but on vertical.
Right.
Yeah.
I can't really tip it up
No.
because of the things, but it's going to stand off, and then lines are going to run behind here and through here and stuff. I don't know. I forget exactly how you designed it, Dan, to be honest.
I've got a lot of pictures.
But it's going to look awesome.
So let us know in the comments what you think, if we should do anodized red or if we should do
We've
polish.
got Rival 34.
Oh yeah, anodized
Rival 34
red there.
billet anodized covers. These are also made by CPC. Again, we can get these for you. There's still a little bit we need to do. We got to cut out some of this and put some holes in there for the crank angle sensor. I'm not sure why it doesn't have it, but we're figuring this stuff out. But these are nice because they have all the like factory baffling and everything. It's gonna go right back up inside there like normal. So I really like that.
It's like, why would you not want to check this out? Because it's cool.
Two big old boxes. What could it be?
It's indestructible, huh?
Come on, guys. So you see it says KBD, obviously, but you don't know what part KBD is. Is it the front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts?
It's a couple of kits.
A couple of kits.
Yeah, check that out.
What is this?
This is idiot proof. You just set it out in the sun.
In the
Because you're
sun?
like, how do you have 2 full body kits in here?
Yeah, how do you just fold up a bumper? So guys, he said he had body kits in this box. How do you have body kits in the box folded up? Well, KBD apparently is floppy, what is it, polyurethane? Look at that, just crumpled up in the box. Like, that's not a kit, bro. That is not a kit.
Set them right out here on the asphalt. Hopefully they don't get run over.
You mean tell me you're putting this on your car? That's a side skirt. Look, this is unreal, man.
That might be a rear balance.
This what?
That's Dan's side skirt.
It's broken.
Oh, now here's the rear balance. That's the front lip. Look at this.
This floppy mess. Guys, this is not gonna come back. This is not going to. I think you're just kind of screwed, Ed.
Bro, they said it this way.
Nah, they got you, bro. This is going on your car? I don't believe it.
Well, if you screw it every 6 inches, it's fine.
Oh, okay, yeah. Every 6 inches, just
Yeah.
nice.
Look at this freaking.
That is funny.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
There you
It's
go.
pretty much there already.
Yeah. They sent you some bacon, my guy. That's all bacon right here. Just flopping around.
So yeah, this is Dan's side skirts and my lip kit for my G35.
Yeah. Okay. Well, guys, I don't believe this is gonna come back, so I'm gonna put this on time lapse, and we're gonna see if this piece of bacon here unfolds to the right shape.
Look, it's getting better already.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I know you guys are waiting for this.
Yeah, we took it out on a test drive yesterday, and she rips.
Really?
Yeah. So, super stoked. Can't wait till we can start cleaning it up, but obviously we want to make sure all the mechanical stuff is solid and good to go. Air fuels look really good on the test drive.
I don't know what I'm filming, man. I'm gonna film something. You said don't film it?
Huh?
Don't film it?
Well, I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready. No, don't come in.
I'm naked.
He said I'm not ready. Don't come in here.
I don't have my pants on. So
Yo, this is crazy.
So this is an exhaust. We've made several. Couple for a Y32. This is the first Y33.
Yeah.
But we want to. There literally is no exhaust for Y33s and 32s that you can buy. So we were like, let's just make some. So this is a jig. Devin can explain more about
That's sick.
how this all works and that it's modular and everything. So.
Yeah, I mean, everything just bolts on and off because I want this jig to go from Y33 to 32.
Right.
So right now it's set up for a Y33, and basically I can just come through, unbolt all my jigs, and when we make a Y32 exhaust, I'm hoping this first section is close.
Yeah.
It should be. From what I've done before, they're pretty much the same. So I'm hoping this section's the same, and this back section's a little different. So when we installed this lift, I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but there's little post holders that hold the like risers for the post for the lift, and we don't use them because we put low cars on the lift. So I went ahead and cut them up because that's really all that we had, and it saved me a bunch of time. And this allows me to be able to fit my back purge system in there and purge this while I weld it. So it's pretty cool. Hope for it to not reduce some time when I'm making these, and hopefully we can get them out to y'all too if y'all are interested in them. And
Yep. At the very end, you get that aggressiveness. Guys, this exhaust sounds really good. It's not overdone. It's not too loud. It's like the perfect sound. Seriously.
I want to hear it on the road.
Yo, no lie, when you like hit that first initial rev, it was so, yeah, it was like bubbling at the end and just flew out. That was crazy. Heck yeah. Yeah, I like this one better than the other one.
Yeah, the other one was loud.
Yeah, it was really loud. I feel like this fits this car more. Word.
Yep, I think we figured it out.
Good job, man.
Thanks, man.
Killed it.
Alright guys, it's Dan with Driver Motorsports. We're talking about our new stainless steel exhaust for the Y32, Y33 chassis. So this is CJ's car. He bought this from us. It was completely stock performance wise. So we threw it on the dyno and it made 209 horsepower and 224 foot-pounds of torque. Really good numbers from a bone stock car. So we threw on our 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust to Vibrant canister that Devin fabbed up, and it ended up making 22 extra horsepower and 24 foot-pounds of torque just from an exhaust. So super impressed with those numbers, super happy with this exhaust, the way it sounds. We're gonna have these exhausts for sale on the website soon, so if you're interested, head over to shopdrivermotorsports.com to check them out. So we're super happy with the numbers that we got performance-wise out of this exhaust, and that's all we did. Stock tune, stock engine, stock airbox. It's just the exhaust. That's a power that you're gonna feel. We're super happy with it, and get yourself one.